All right, can y'all see my screen? Not yet, right?
Not yet.
There's a lot to talk about.
You still in IM Academy?
No, I haven't been a part of. I mean, I talk to everybody that's in IM. There's nothing wrong with IM, but I haven't paid for their subscription in like 2 years.
For 2 years?
It's been 2 years since I paid for a monthly subscription with them. I don't pay their monthly subscription. I mean, don't get me wrong, the information that they give is very valuable, and there is going to be a day where I pay it, and I'm going to put in the 30 days and really study and take a lot of notes and probably put in the second month. But I'm not going to be paying the subscription back to back to back, even if I'm funded. Like, I'm not about to do
I
that.
understand. You understand. It's
And
for those who are
and
new. For those who are new, yeah.
say it again.
It's for those who are new, no?
Yeah, I feel
Like
like if you're gonna pay the
beginning
monthly
friend.
subscription back to back to back like that, is because you really starting and you really need to like break down the basics and all that shit. But all right, I'm gonna be breaking down some futures charts, but it's the same thing as regular charts. Cause like if you go back to so this is I was just looking at the European futures. So I was looking at European futures. So if we go to Euro
Mhm.
USD, what's going on? I know I have good signal, so what's going on? Am I lagging or something? Let me exit the shit out.
It's fine now.
Hmm. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, it's the same
Mm-hmm.
price action as what's going on here in Australian futures. So you see, stop. So all right, it's the same thing going on in Australian futures. Okay, give me a second. Give me a sec. All right. So if you look, the Euro futures is the same thing. So I'm going to be breaking down on the Euro futures chart, but if you look on your chart, it's the same thing. So don't take it as something different just because you're not trading futures yet. It's the same thing. So basically, on MetaTrader. I've been in this sell since Friday. I'm not gonna close it until it gets stopped out. Um, and if I see a break of structure on a smaller time frame, I'm gonna get it again. And I'm gonna see if the price action continues to the downside to see if it's gonna take out these lows right here and continue the downtrend structure on the 4 hour time frame. If you look right here on the monthly and the weekly, it does seem like we can see uptrending, like we can see some upwards movement based on what's happening, based on the liquidity that's forming on the monthly time frame. But I'm not gonna do too much analysis on like higher time frame shit. We're just gonna focus on simple stuff on every time frame. What charts are you guys looking at for the week?
I'm planning to long on GBP this week. You know, this is the only pair I'll be focusing. Long on GU, and I'll look for sell GU only. Just try to catch the retrace. You know,
All right, you said GU.
yeah.
Find that job. 6 people. You want to share your screen?
No, it's fine. I'm on the phone, bro.
No, that's fine, bro. So you're looking for longs
No, I
to take
want,
out this?
yeah. There's a like ton of liquidity up there, streamline and resistance. You
You
know,
said all of this?
yeah, all of this are liquidity to me. And the price action on 4 is kind of look messy, you know. If you see on 4, yeah, you on 4 is break the
Yep.
structure and just
4 hour.
reach us back. Yeah, reach us back last week to just seek some internal liquidity of the external structure. And it also right now the current price it just gave nice, you know, break up its structure. So I'm kind of expecting it to just reach us back like down, reach us back down. The price is right now there, reach us back down,
Into this 4 hour
and
area?
yeah, to this 4 hour area. And from that point, I'll be look for on 5 minute or 15 minute bullish structure, you know, for confirmation. Yeah. And if you like drop your pips from low to high in that point, the last week low, the high. Yes. Exactly. This is what I want to see.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yes, sir. And this keep going up. I think I already placed a sell limit, you know, from that area. Like I wanted to see just little bit above. Then sell.
Say it again. You said little bit double? I didn't hear you.
No. I just want to see like little bit uh, this price to go up little bit more up, touch it to 30-minute IC.
You said you wanted to go a little bit more up
Yeah, little bit more up. Not
for it
not
to
not
actually
not. Yeah. Around that area.
for it to finally give the retracement.
Yeah. And from that, yeah, we sell.
What you looking at,
Just
Benji?
I just close my position now. What USD I was long.
I was in
But
um I was in this one. I made a quick 800 off of this one on my phase one for futures exam.
hmm,
So this trade, like I kind of doubted it, but I stayed in. I had to close it after 6 because I was in. I was in since Thursday. So I had to close it right here, like around when it was 6 o'clock. And then I hopped back in when it came back into the area and then it spat quick 70 pips.
uh,
Um I was literally just doing it off of this, like because it broke this structure right here, because I
yeah.
saw this. Only because I saw this. That's why I felt confident
No,
in the
no, no.
trade. So I
Look
took
down
it
there.
when it came back to this.
Like, okay, one more thing. Let me tell you. One more thing. It broke its structure, but what it did before, you know, what it did before.
Yeah, right here is the actual break.
No.
But I
I'm
wasn't
talking about. I'm talking about what it did before. Before it broke the structure, it did sweep the liquidity on which date was
these equal
Wednesday.
lows.
Yeah. They slow or clear out, okay, and then it did break up structure. So it is like uh very important things. Yeah, see, yeah, check out the liquidity and break up the structure. So when you like normally when I see something like this, bam.
Hmm. Where is the shapes and shit? Fuck, I'm just gonna put a money symbol. These markups don't even matter, but it's good to point out for extra confluence, extra confirmation. But you see, it could come
Yes,
back
the
in this
moment.
area, give us another buy, bro.
Yeah, I'm expecting to it like go long also.
Yeah, dude, this is a nice buy entry for a buy limit. Um, but I'm gonna leave it alone for right now. I'm gonna wait for New York Open tomorrow. I don't want to be in trades for Sunday. I'm not saying it can't work out. Anything is possible. And if it does play out without me, that's just gonna be beautiful. But if I see this 9:30 in the morning, is there news tomorrow? Because I'm
There's
not
nothing.
supposed to be trading news. I'm not supposed to be trading news with this account.
There's no high impact news
There's
tomorrow.
nothing. That's lit. So we got nothing for USD. So we Gucci. It's gonna be a nice setup to take for tomorrow, and that's gonna be the only setup I take. Oh look, I opened my MetaMask today, and I tried to I had $70 in ETH. So I was gonna do a YouTube training. I'm just gonna mention this briefly because I don't want to talk about this during this Zoom on this recording. It's gonna be on the next recording.
Hmm.
I was trying to buy Dodgelon with $70 of ETH that I had left in my MetaMask, but the gas fees are so high, you need to have good chunks of money in this shit to actually buy those coins that are pumping right now. So, if you're gonna play with basically the shit coins that are about to pump like shit right now, you're gonna have to have money for gas fees on top of what you're gonna invest. And the gas fees are looking like $100 to $150 each swap transaction. So
Wow.
it's a pretty penny you have to pay just to make an investment, but it's worth it, bro, because when the previous Shiba and the Dodgelon pump happened, I literally turned $200 into 4,000, 7,000. And I think Benji was here to witness that because we are all dropping screenshots when that was going on. I don't know if he's still in here. I don't know who WM Horn is, but um we caught that Shiba shit, bro, and everybody was like, "Yo," like dropping screenshots on Instagram and everything off of Shiba, bro, off of a fucking coin that nobody knows about that has to do with a dog. It's like Dodge coin, but it's not. And then there's another one. There's another one called Dodgelon that did the same thing. It's pissed.
Hmm.
It did the same thing. It did the same thing. And yeah, I'm gonna talk about that shit on the next Zoom call. But if you want to do some research on it, it's on CoinGecko.com. But yeah, man, there's a lot of fucking shit that's happening in the space, dude. It's not just trading prop firms. It's not just fucking catching forex
Yeah,
trades,
good. Like
commodity
number one,
trades.
we have to do just make a lot of money as much as you can from prop firm and invest on this. Buy
There's so
something.
much places to make money.
Yeah, so much things to buy.
Hold up, why can't I share why can't I give me a second? It's not even funny no more, bro. Like it's just right in front of our face. But yeah, on the next Zoom call, I'm gonna be talking more about crypto. I'm just trying to bring back trading view. Give me a second. All right, bet. So this AU buy.
Go to daily on AU.
What?
Daily. Daily time frame.
We have a break of structure on a daily
Yep.
time frame to the upside.
Yes. This is in a few weeks, so I'm expecting to take out this liquidity in that range.
You expect to take out liquidity to the uptrend, into an uptrend, like take all of
Yes.
this shit out.
Yeah, well, this it out.
My bad for getting excited about crypto, bro. That shit's just crazy what's going on. It's just so crazy, bro. Like I woke up in the morning and that shit was even on the news on my cell phone. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, yo, I've been calling this shit out for like the whole year. Like, like I would occasionally mention to people and occasionally mention on my Zoom calls, like buy Shiba. And people were laugh. Somebody even laughed at me, bro. I think it was you, Jano. This shit was crazy, bro. Hold up. I just wanna do this. Hold up. A second. Look at this shit, bro. The breaking structure it's on the weekly time frame back into the zone.
Mhm.
Damn, bro. If we would have had this on our MetaMask wallet, we would have been up 180% right now.
I knew, bro. Like, don't
I'm
remind me
waiting
again.
for I'm waiting for a correction. If it corrects, it comes back into the zone. I'm buying the fuck out of that shit, bro. I promise you. And I'm gonna let everybody know. Let it come back in that area. Let it come back in that fucking area. I promise you. I'm putting a lot of fucking money in that bitch. And this is not financial advice. You do what you decide what you want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. This is Dodgelon right here. Same thing. Break on the weekly, came back into the zone. I made a lot of
It's
money
still
with
good.
this. I made a lot of money with this back in 2022. I literally turned $300 into like $4,000 with just this coin, bro. But this little move was 66%. Imagine holding this shit to up here 568%, bro.
Uh,
This shit's been around since 2021. The price action's been around since 2021, and you can look at it on CoinGecko. It's gonna tell you that it's a shit coin. But there's been a lot. But if you know what you're doing, you can make money. Right here, you go on MetaMask. This is the contract ID. See, it even has the mask. It even has the fox. You can add this to your, and you can swap it with USDT Tether. Because this is a ERC20 token, so it's in the Ethereum network. Like, bro, like
mhm.
the shit that I try to tell you guys isn't fake, bro.
Yeah, I see.
Look, he even left the Zoom call because he knows what I'm talking about is true. It's true shit, bro. What other setups you see, bro?
Uh, that's true. Like, I don't really trade too much. Like, want to set up in a week, I'm done.
You said you only look at a couple setups a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It's a good plan to have, bro. Yeah, we don't need to overtrade anything. I do see this though. This is beautiful. Waiting for this area.
Yeah. This could be also happen. Could be.
Man, what a time we're in, right, bro?
It's 5:30 morning.
Are you gonna transfer into you're gonna transfer into trading futures?
Like,
You got
I don't
20
know how to,
you got
I don't
20
know how to
hours
do
left.
it.
What you say, bro?
I don't know how to like how does this work?
You want me to show you, or you don't care about it?
Uh,
It's
like
only if
I'm
you
good
want
with
to actually do it.
yeah, I'm good with like the things I do. Like so, it's fine.
All right, no problem, bro. It's the same thing as MetaTrader 4. It's nothing different. But shit, man, I'm about to end this Zoom right here because I'm gonna do the second recording on the crypto.
Sure, bro.
But
See
look,
you.
I appreciate you because look, I need you to hop on these Zoom calls with us, man, because you know what you're doing too. And sometimes, just like all traders, I go through losing streaks. There's nothing, I feel like there's nothing wrong with going through losing streaks, bro. I didn't blow any accounts though. You know what I'm saying? I keep my risk the same.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I just focus on catching 1 to 4s, sometimes 1 to 5s, and very little times I be catching 1 to 3s because I usually let it ride till 1 to 4. And I was listening to Vargas, and he was saying 1 to 10s, 1 to 5s are easy. And he was like, we need to have a stronger neuroplasticity in holding our trades for longer periods of time. And
Yeah,
that's what I'm gonna,
that's what I need to also work on it.
yeah, because I know we're gonna catch this entry right here, and if this entry ends up clearing this liquidity, we're gonna have to hold this for to see
Yeah.
that because it's not gonna happen in one day.
Yeah.
So on futures trading, I have to close the trades the same day, but on my MetaTrader personal account, I can hold. So I'm gonna be doing that. I have a $200 account challenge that I got right now. It's at 160 bucks, and I also have my actual trading account. My two. I have a futures trading account. I'm at break even, back at $100,000. I started the week being down 1.2%, so I was down $1,200, but I made it back in one trade. So no, it actually took, I was in profit for 2 trades, and since it was Friday, I closed. So that made me back my losses, those 2 trades that were floating in profit. So yeah, man. That's all we gotta do. We just gotta keep it moving. I already know
Yes.
you know, Ismail. I don't gotta tell you. But since I'm putting this on YouTube, you feel me?
uh,
But shit. Oh man, you saw what happened with gold? I caught this break to the downside.
mm-hmm.
I caught this sell right here, and I literally had my TP set, and I usually never set TPs, bro, but this time I did because I was busy that day. I was in Bethesda at the dealership, and I look at my phone, bro. This shit hits TP, hits me out of my order in TP, and I had a
Mm-hmm.
buy limit. I had a buy limit right here, bro, right on the 1 hour, but I didn't have it on the full candle of the 1 hour. I had it just right here because I didn't want to risk the full candle.
Yes, too
What I
many
should have
pips.
done, what I should have done was 50% of the candle, and I would have got triggered in. But I risked 35 pips, and I was aiming for a 1 to 4, and that shit barely fucking missed me. I would have been past phase one with just this trade.
It's too nice.
So clean, bro. That shit was so crazy, man. I was like, oh my goodness. When I looked at my phone, I said, thank God I had a TP because that shit didn't give me enough time to go break even. This move happened so fast. If I didn't have a TP set, I wouldn't have gotten out of my order in time. I would have got stopped out with this whole big reversal. like, bro, it literally hit me out. TP barely missed my buy limit to the upside. I would have been mad as shit. Oh, look at this. This is clean. This is the price action we're talking about. This is the price action you got to look for. Because this on a 5 minute is a nice break of structure. Because right here you got a higher high, a higher low, higher high because it's closing above this one, higher low because it's more than two down candles. That's creating the higher low structure into a new higher high. This price action breaks it, comes back into an imbalance, comes back into an IC on the 15 minute. That's a nice trade for Sunday. Damn, whoever caught that's a beast. That shit's gonna, and if it doesn't sink all the way, whatever. I know whoever caught that entry is at break even already. Like if it doesn't correct all the way, comes all the way down here, I just see it coming. But I will be waiting for this 1 hour candle. And this time I will do 50% of the candle. I don't give a fuck. All right, bet. That's all for today. We shared what's gonna happen with AU. Let's see if it happens and it does what it do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We shared we shared that futures has almost the same price action as FXCM data. At least we know that. So if I'm breaking down futures, don't feel like we can't speak the same language just because you're trading on MetaTrader 4. I'm trading on MetaTrader 4 too. So we still in this together. But we shared what we want for GU. See what happens, what it do, what it do.
Let's see. I'll be
And
safe
then
within this week.
what you say?
I just want to like look for a few setups this week because
I can't
there's
hear you.
heavy news. I just want to look for some setup this week, GU and AU only. And we'll see day after tomorrow. There will be good setup, I'm sure. You know?
Hell yeah, dude. I see it. I
Yeah.
feel it in my bones.
It's because, like normally on a NFP week before NFP happened, they were like playing around like choppiness and punishing those who were early sellers or buyer. The real move happened, you know. I mean to say, it was just like playing around, giving some setups, but not the real move. You know what I mean? The real move will happen uh, on NFP day or the day before 5 day, Thursday.
You said it would happen on NFP day or what?
Thursday.
Okay. Past the Thursday.
Yeah, that's the day real move will happen. This.
You said past the Thursday?
Yeah.
Well said, bro. Well, shit. This shit's recorded. If you don't understand what he said, just rewind that shit and we got this. I did forget we are in NFP week. So thanks for saying that, bro.
Mhm.
It's 3/3/24. Let me see. Can I pull up a calendar? So NFP is the first, what is it? The first Friday of the month? What is
Yes, sir.
NFP?
First Friday of the month.
The first and the last Friday of the month.
Not last, first.
Just the first?
Yeah.
I could swore it was the last one too.
Mm-hmm. Like NFP normally the first Friday, like the month.
It's never the last one.
No, I never the last one.
Okay. Well, you know more than me, bro. But first Friday of the month, and since we're in the same week, it's NFP week. All
Yes,
right.
when
So
if we go,
we're
let's
about
just go through your news. You'll see.
say it again.
Just go through your news forex factory and send some details like filter it out to only high impact news. Red folder.
Your mic sounds blurry. You said filter it to high impact news.
Yeah, yeah. And check it out. What's the news this week?
How do I filter that shit? Give me a second. Oh, here it is.
Yeah, remove and apply.
How do I do it for the month? Hold up.
No, no, no. Like you can do it for the week.
This
Yes.
week.
Yeah. And then filter it again. See.
There's news on Wednesday for USD. I'm only trading US anything related to USD anyway, so I don't gotta worry about JPYs and chefs. But all right, fuck it. All right, I heard it here first. It will be recorded. Thank you, Ismail, for being a
Yeah.
part of this class, bro. I know we talked about a lot. Unfortunately, crypto did what it had to do, and I got excited. I'll try not to get so excited on the next Zoom call. But yeah. Remember if you're
Yeah.
gonna do a MetaMask, the gas fees are high as shit. So be ready to spend. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm ending it here.
All
And
right,
have a
bro.
good night, Ismail.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, bro.